This is a schlage primus. I'm gonna try to get it open, and then if I can get it open, I'll talk about it a little bit more. Three, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now I'm going to switch to one of the Moki A-cab picks, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to try to do these finger pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. So now 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this one has 2 Bibles and two sidebar positions on it. So now I have to pick 4 more pins, and I have to do the sidebar all over again at a weird angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2. Okay. Now, this is where it's going to get to be a pain, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, 1, 2, I don't know if I got that in the right place or not. I got something not right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so I'll do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, cool. So just so you can see it, that's all the way around. That is the schlage primus with 10 pins, 2 Bibles, 1 in this position, 1 right here. All 5 of the side pins in, picked all the way around.